Welcome back to Building My Veggie Garden. Who doesn't enjoy sipping on a cool, prebiotic fizzy beverage? Imagine if that drink could be a soda made from ingredients found right in our garden. Today, we're excited to share our recipe for mint prebiotic soda with you, so stick around. Welcome to our garden. Today, we're going to show you how to create a simple, wholesome, and delightful prebiotic soda using ingredients grown in your own garden. The best part? This drink is made with ingredients that are designed to help and soothe your digestion. The two main ingredients in our prebiotic soda recipe include mint and fennel. They are amazing plants that help our body stay strong and relaxed. Some of mint's health benefits include: mint helps with digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and relaxing the muscles in your bowel wall. Mint can help manage stress. The vitamins and antioxidants of mint can help boost your immune system. Some of fennel's health benefits: fennel contains fiber and can help reduce inflammation and gas. Fennel can help with period cramps and colic. Fennel contains calcium, magnesium, and iron, which can help prevent osteoporosis and promote strong bones. Before we start making our soda, let's answer the question: what is prebiotic soda? Prebiotic soda is a carbonated drink that contains prebiotic fiber, which is a type of dietary fiber that feeds good gut bacteria. The ingredients that provide the prebiotic fiber in our soda are fennel, apple cider vinegar, and blueberries. What are the benefits of prebiotic soda? It helps with digestion and constipation. It helps balance the bacteria in your gut. It feeds the bacteria in your gut, which are probiotics, and they support your immune system. So far, this prebiotic soda sounds amazing. And the best part is that we can make it for less than half of the price of what you pay in the store for the commercial brands, thanks to the ingredients we are getting from our garden. Time for the exciting part. Our prebiotic soda is made in 2 steps: making the mint tea and then making our prebiotic soda. Let's start with our tea. For 2 servings of mint tea, you will need the following: 2 cups of water, half a cup of fresh mint, a few slices of fennel, 1 cinnamon stick. In a teapot, put all ingredients and boil for 5 minutes. Let the tea rest until it is cold. Now for the fun part, where our mint tea becomes prebiotic soda. This recipe is good for 2 servings. 2 cups of mint tea, 1½ tablespoons of lavender syrup, 1/2 of a cup of blueberries, 1 teaspoon of raw apple cider vinegar, sweetener of your choice for 2 cups. First, we pour our mint tea into the container to carbonate it. We follow the instructions of the soda maker. Since we're transforming our tea into soda, we want to talk about how we are doing it. We are using a gadget that doesn't rely on CO2 tanks. Instead, it utilizes citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. When these two come together with water, they create bubbles that release carbon dioxide, the key element in carbonating soda. This method is cost-effective compared to using CO2 tanks. We also are using less plastic bottles by making our own soda, so this is also reducing the cost of our soda and reducing our environmental footprint. And while our soda is being made, we are going to mix the rest of the ingredients for our prebiotic soda. Add the blueberries, the lavender syrup, and the apple cider vinegar in a bowl. We also add the sweetener of our choice. We are using stevia to keep the calories low. We want the soda to be only 35 calories per serving, and using both the stevia and the syrup make us achieve this goal. Now we crush the fruit with a muddler. Once we have our soda, we pour 2 cups in our pitcher. Then we add our crushed blueberries. We stir and our mint prebiotic soda is ready. Serve in a glass with ice cubes if you desire. If you do not have a soda maker, you can use sparkling water to make your prebiotic soda. Let's see how to prepare it. For 2 servings, you will need 1 cup of mint tea, 1 cup of sparkling water, sweetener of your choice for 2 cups, 1½ tablespoons of lavender syrup, 1 teaspoon of raw apple cider vinegar, ½ cup of blueberries. Add the blueberries, the lavender syrup, and the apple cider vinegar in a bowl. We also add the sweetener of our choice. We are using stevia to keep the calories low. We want the soda to be only 35 calories per serving, and using both the stevia and the syrup make us achieve this goal. Now we crush the fruit with a muddler. In a pitcher, combine your mint tea and sparkling water, making it into mint soda. Add the crushed berries to the mint soda. Stir well. Serve in a glass with ice cubes if you desire. Leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator. The soda may lose its carbonation within a day, but the flavor of the drink will remain excellent. Here you have it, a delicious homemade prebiotic soda that has 1/3 of the calories of regular soda and full of health benefits. Delightful! Isn't it great when you can count on your garden to give you a delicious and nutritious drink? Leave us a message and let us know how you like our mint prebiotic soda. As always, it's a pleasure to have you in our garden. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our social media channels. See you next time. Bye-bye.